In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get the color code of any element on any website. So if you want to find the color of a particular element or piece of text on a website, then there's two ways to do this. The first method is just to right click on the element or text that you want to get the color code from. Then we're going to scroll down this menu and press Inspect. That's going to bring up this window here on the left hand side. Make sure you have style selected. And now if I scroll down slightly, you can see we have this hex code. Now this hex code here is the color that matches this button, this blue color. You can see that if I click it, it turns it on and off. So what we would need to do is just copy this hex code over here by right clicking and pressing copy. And this is the number that corresponds to this blue. Now there's actually an easier way to do this as well, and that's to head back over to your website, click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side, scroll down to extensions and click on Visit Chrome Web Store. In the search box, type in color and then select Color Picker Eyedropper Tool. Click on Add to Chrome, select Add Extension. Once it's been downloaded, head back over to your website, click on the extensions icon in the top and make sure to pin this to your taskbar. Now what we can do is select this color picker at the top, click on the eyedropper. Now if you can't select the eyedropper tool, then you'll just need to refresh your page and then you can head back over to this tool and press eyedropper. And then from here, you can just select the text or the element that you want to grab the color from. So I'm going to click on the button again. And as you can see, this is another way of getting the hex code and also the RGB color. So that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.